The use of three-dimensional reinforcement profiles has become increasingly important in automotive and aerospace industries. Profiles form the main part of lightweight applications and are used to increase the stiffness and stability of shell components against bending or buckling. One of the most difficult and time-consuming steps in the production process of these profiles is the development of the weave. Therefore, the ITA has developed the so-called profile weave, a program that simplifies the creation of the weave pattern. In the first step, the work parameters like the roving yarn count, the density, and the titer are entered. The same procedure applies to the weft. Here, one can choose the same settings as for the warp yarn. In the weave section, the weave parameters are set, for example the interlacing, the fiber volume content, and the yarn density. In the last step, the geometry of the profile is determined. The respective profile type is chosen and the corresponding measurements are entered. The output returns the weave pattern as well as necessary information on the redesign and handle threading. With the output of the profile weave tool, a 3D model is created with a TextGen add-on. The software allows the user to check the weave and to create a pattern draft for the weaving machine. After that, the pattern draft is used to enter the necessary settings into the weaving machine. After the textile has been woven and impregnated, we finally receive a finished tee profile. By means of the ITA tool, it is now very easy to create a weave pattern for 3D weaving machines. In a few simple steps, the user obtains a complete weave pattern of a 3D woven fabric, which means an immense time saving in the process chain.